This is the Ford AOD. Have you ever wondered what it takes to disassemble one of these Ford automatic transmissions? Don't go anywhere. Hey, what's going on? My name's Robert and I'm with the Southpaw Autoworks YouTube channel. Our primary focus is automatic transmission repair. Speaking of which, we recently released a video that'll give you an inside look at what it takes to disassemble the Ford AOD automatic transmission. The video is led by my co-host Andy, who has over 40 years of experience with automatic transmissions. You can check out the full-length video for free by heading over to Southpaw Autoworks. Once again, my name's Robert and I will see you over at Southpaw Autoworks.